Hello friends, I am Prashant and you're watching Educational Stuff YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing the editorial analysis of the Hindu newspaper. This video comprising of first article discussion of editorial analysis. Today is 1st June 2020. This is the first article. This particular article focuses on resumption of economic activities and regarding the Unlock 1, the plan should ensure a careful start of the activities and for PDS system. It is a truth universally acknowledged now that the severe restrictions to contain COVID-19 produced dramatic displacement of the weakest sections, while the check on the infection spread was modest. The centre's move for a phased unlocking of public activity after a rigorous lockdown since March 25th sets the stage for the people to resume their jobs and undertake some travel. The Unlock 1 plan should ensure a careful restarting of activities, the most important of which is delivering of goods and everyday services, including health services unrelated to COVID-19 infections. Latest data since the virus surfaced in the country show that 13 cities, including some of the biggest metros, pose 70% of the cases, and many of the earlier restrictions will continue there. Retaining curbs on a big gathering such as in religious places is reasonable, given the history of these sites unwittingly become super spreaders. But states must show diligence in actively testing, quarantining individuals in the cities with a high incidence of significantly controlled spread. Half-hearted approaches to implementing the measures mandated by the national directives of COVID-19 management, such as those on face cover, physical distancing in public places, shops and establishments, spitting and gathering in large numbers, can only worsen the crisis, especially with the resumption of public transport. Citizens who have accepted severe curtailment of liberties during the lockdown can be persuaded to adopt a healthy public behavior code using the measures that are civil yet firm. Even with the easing of the lockdown, the severe economic contradiction caused by the loss of requires a government to demonstrate as much commitment to mitigating misery as to containing infections. A genuinely universal PDS adequate supplies of food grains, ensuring that no one is left behind, must be provided in all states. Cash supplements should reach all intended beneficiaries. This needs to be underscored as surveys of the workers who lost jobs after the pandemic indicates rising hunger levels and missing financial support. Some sections such as Dalits, women and low-skilled workers are even worse off. For the elderly, vulnerable individuals and children below 10, the center's advise to shelter in the place even during the relaxation phase. This is medically sound advice, but cannot be done over a long period in the big cities, as they cannot access goods and services at their doorsteps simply because they are classified as non-essentials. The course of COVID-19 in the weeks ahead is by no means predictable, and the center recognizes the possibility of new rural clusters emerging due to a large-scale return of migrants. Whether in the cities or the countryside, Unlock 1 must practice some actions, create public awareness that is virus is present, ramp up testing, provide health services, and intensively monitor relief measures. This is open with caution. A resumption of economic activities is essential, but the vigil on the virus must remain. This is the first article discussion. Before I conclude, I request you to subscribe to the channel. If you want the other also article discussions, you can see from the description link. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.